Okay, hi, I'm back. In case you didn't see my first video, I'm Carrie, and this is Cooking with Carrie. And a little bit earlier, we put on a pork roast, and that pork roast is still cooking. But in the meantime, what I wanted to do was show you this simple recipe for seafood pasta. Now, everybody makes their seafood pasta different. I understand that, but this one here is just really simple. Let me get my crab meat. So what I've done already, to not have this video be so long, I've prepared a lot of my ingredients already, but I want to show you what I'm using. I've already peeled and deveined some shrimp. I've cut them in half. Some of them I cut in threes. Because the shrimp were a little large, and I just used frozen shrimp, large frozen shrimp. I'm going to use mayonnaise, of course, and one of my secret ingredients is vegetable soup mix. Yeah, vegetable soup mix. And what I do with that is I take, and you probably can't see this, but I put it in water to let it get soft, because the stuff in the box is hard, and you don't want it hard in your salad. So I put it in water and I let it soak to soften up. I also, of course, use crab meat. This is just Publix brand crab meat, lump jumbo crab meat. You can use any kind of crab meat you want. I used to use claw, but I found in claw crab meat, they have a lot of shells in them. And I don't like shells. I don't like to bite down on shells. Black pepper, Old Bay, of course. I'm going to use a little bit of that, and we're going to use some paprika. Okay? Paprika. And speaking of recipes, if you have some, share them with me. I love to try new recipes. As a cook, we love to evolve. We love people to enjoy our food. So if you have some, send them to me. Make a comment. I'm new at this, so I may make some mistakes. I may fumble a little bit, but I love to share recipes. I love to try new recipes. So what we're going to do, I'm going to get the pasta, and I'm going to show you what kind of pasta I'm using. Right now I'm going to the sinks on off camera. Now, the pasta I used, and I boiled it for about 13 minutes, and then I strained it and ran cold water on it. And I'm using the Rotini, and I'm using the tricolor Rotini. And those are the pasta noodles that look like corkscrews. Okay, and I use just a little bit of color ones just to give the salad some color. So we're gonna put this together. My vegetable soup mix, I have it soaking in water. So what I'm gonna do is just drain it off and put it into my pasta. Drain it off, and this has, looks like dried carrots, maybe parsley. I'd have to read the box actually to know the ingredients. I know it has peas in it. And this is a recipe that a friend of mine many years ago gave me, and I have been making it ever since. Now, sometimes, and I forgot today because I made this for Christmas, sometimes I use black olives in it. But I used them when I made it for Christmas, and I forgot to get some more. So I'm trying to drain all of the vegetable soup mix without getting the water in it. And this soup packet mix comes with 2 bags. For this amount of pasta, I'm using both bags. Okay, so I've gotten as much as I can get out of that. But for this, it comes with two bags. Use both. It's just more flavor. And that's that little flavor in there that really nobody can figure out what it is. That's what it is. I'm going to put a little bit of Old Bay to give this pasta some taste. I'm going to put a little black pepper. I'm going to put my paprika. Okay, and I use the smoked paprika. Use paprika in a lot of dishes. We've already used the black pepper. I'm gonna cut off, because I just took this out of the fridge, so I'm gonna cut off the plastic off my lump crab meat. And what you wanna do with your lump crab meat, because it's literally lumps, is take and break it up. I'm taping, baby. This is my baby here. She said she didn't want to be on camera. Now this, they seal it. We pop it up, of course. Take that off. Now I'm going to show you this beautiful crab meat. Is that beautiful or what? It's literally lumps. No, you can't try any right now. So I'm going to take my fork and I'm going to break up this crab meat. I'm just going to break it up as I pull it out. This crab meat is delicious. Breaking it up as I pull it out of the cup. Breaking it up. You can even take your hands and do this if you wanted to. It would probably be quicker. But this is some beautiful crab meat. I don't make this dish a lot because the crab meat itself is so expensive. So this is like a treat, especially since I made it for Christmas as well. But like I told you, my baby girl is not crazy about black-eyed peas. So I'm making something here that I know she will eat. Okay, so that's all of the crab meat. And I'm gonna take, and this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. That crab meat is gorgeous. I hope you can see in my bowl. And now I'm gonna take and add my shrimp. I didn't use a whole bag of shrimp. I used about 3/4 of a large bag. I can show you that bag. And this is just another Publix. That's where we mostly shop. These are large shrimp, easy to peel, and they were, and just devein them. Okay, now that I have all of that in there, I'm going to mix it just a little bit and put my mayonnaise. This is how simple this dish is. Very, very simple. And if you let it sit in the refrigerator, what I do is transfer this into another bowl with a lid and put it in the fridge until we're ready to eat it. I should have another spoon here. Let's wipe this spoon off before I stick it in my mayonnaise. And if you can't eat seafood, because I know that some people are allergic to seafood, you can use chicken in this dish. This vegetable soup mix would taste great with chicken as well. And I love a good chicken salad. One day we'll make one. Love a good chicken salad. See how beautiful that is? I don't know if you can see it, but it is gorgeous. I'm going to continue to mix all of that mayonnaise in with all those big, beautiful pieces of crab meat. Oh. And I'll say again, I'm new to this. And hopefully my videos will get shorter and better. And hopefully we'll be able to share a whole bunch of them. And as I do a video, if you want the recipe, write it down or just send me a comment and I'll post the recipe for you. And if you'd like, send me some recipes, or if you think you can make some of my recipes better, maybe you use some ingredients that I don't, let me know. I'll make it and give you a shout out. Now look at that. I think we've mixed that enough. And I want to give you a close-up of this beautiful, beautiful pasta salad. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? And we're going to enjoy this tonight. Thank you for watching my video. And on my first video, I'll be back still to show you that roast. Until then, be good. Bye.